This is regarding the Zubeen Garg death probe. The accused Shyam Kanu Mahanta and Siddharth Sharma have been remanded to 14 days SIT custody in the Zubeen Garg death case. Now remember, Shyam Kanu Mahanta is the organizer and Siddharth Sharma was the manager of Zubeen Garg. They both have been remanded to 14 days SIT custody in the Zubeen Garg death case. The manager, Siddharth Sharma, was arrested from the national capital, whereas the organizer, Shyam Kanu Mahanta, was hiding in Singapore, and he has also been arrested, and they both have now been remanded to 14 days SIT custody in the Zubeen Garg death case probe. And we're now being joined by my colleague Nandita Bora with more details on this. Nandita, we're learning that Siddharth Sharma, the manager, and Shyam Kanu Mahanta, the organizer, have been remanded to 14 days SIT custody. Give us more details about the charges and what lies next.
Yes. So, latest reports we are getting from Guwahati is Shyam Kanu Mahanta, who is the organizer of Northeast Festival, and Siddharth Sharma, who was the manager of Zubeen Garg, both accused in connection with the death of the singer, have been placed under 14-day custody of the Special Investigation Team. And the duo, who were earlier produced before the Chief Judicial Magistrate's residence in Guwahati, amid tight security arrangements, they were produced before the CJM, and after the hearing, they were taken out and they were straight taken to the CID office, allowing the SIT to take them into custody for interrogation and further investigation. Mahanta, who was earlier flown from Singapore and brought to Delhi, was detained and then arrested by Assam police and brought to Guwahati. Siddharth Sharma was detained in Gurugram at 1:30 a.m. today and was brought to Delhi, and from Delhi he was arrested and brought to Guwahati. Both accused were separately brought in different bulletproof vehicles, and they were later taken to the CGM's court instead of CID office that was earlier speculated.